MicroFridge refrigerator model 30RMF4RW error codes. MicroFridge 19-inch freestanding compact refrigerator with 3 cubic feet capacity, 1 wire shelf, right hinge with reversible doors, crisper drawer, automatic defrost Energy Star certified, reversible D error codes. Here is a list of error codes for MicroFridge refrigerators. E1. Temperature sensor error. E2. Defrost sensor error. E3. Evaporator fan error. E4. Compressor error. E5. Ice maker error. E6. Water valve error. E7. Control board error. If you see one of these error codes on your MicroFridge refrigerator, try the following troubleshooting steps. 1. Check to make sure that the refrigerator is properly plugged in and that the outlet is functioning properly. 2. Check the refrigerator's temperature settings to make sure they are set correctly. 3. Check the refrigerator's door seals to make sure they are sealing properly. 4. Check the refrigerator's control panel to make sure all buttons are functioning properly. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to call a technician for further assistance. It's also a good idea to refer to your owner's manual for specific troubleshooting guidance.